Here are 4 mistakes I've made as a beginner plant parent that would send an experienced plant parent into a coma. My number 1 mistake is potting directly into pots without drainage holes. These decorative pots are great, however, you should put your plant in some sort of pot with better drainage, like a nursery pot. I've been working on converting all of mine to those kinds of pots and it's been so much better. The second mistake I made is using pots that are not the right size. I get so worried about my roots having enough space that I end up potting into a pot too big, which then in turn is just soil sitting there with the water once again. The third mistake I made as a beginner, which is definitely a very common one, is overwatering. I get it, we've all been there. We're all like, oh my god, my plants are gonna be thirsty, my plants are gonna die, they're gonna wilt over and die. No. Unless you truly neglect them, no. For the most part, there are some plants that do require the soil to be consistently moist, such as like a carnivorous plant. They really love to have moist soil. Generally speaking, though, most plants are fine if you let the soil completely dry, and it's actually better. I actually killed my first cactus by overwatering it. You may wonder, how do you end up overwatering a cactus? Yeah, I don't know. I killed it. Mistake. But I did get a new cactus recently, so we'll see how that one does. To help this overwatering mistake, I actually did get a moisture meter, and I've been working on just letting my plants sit for a while. So I think right now I'm on maybe about a week and a half without watering. It is winter, so I will water less, and in the summer I usually do a weekly schedule. My fourth mistake kind of goes along with my overwatering mistake and my usage of not well draining pots, because I thought I would never face the consequences of bugs. Well, I have. I'm currently in a war with fungus gnats, and I finally think the odds are in my favor. I say that because I've been using sticky traps, I've been switching my pots over, and I've been changing how I water to bottom watering, and I've been using neem oil. So far, I do think these methods are working for getting rid of fungus gnats. Hopefully this video will help other beginners not make the same mistakes that I did and so many of us do. And if you do make these mistakes, it's totally okay. It happens. I've done it, obviously. Just change your methods and you'll be fine.